Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery on this watch. Is CRRJU. I think it's a Chinese watch. I don't know, but that is the name. So if you have one, so I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. Okay. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your watch. These videos is for education purpose only. Thank you. So for this project, we're gonna need a very tiny flat screwdriver. The new battery, this watch use CRRJU. Okay, that's the model of the battery here. Okay, so I got the new battery. So now let me show you what else do you need. You need a magnifying glass. I got this from Micro Center. It's a computer store. You can get it online like eBay or Amazon. Okay, so that's my magnifying glass. Then we need this tool here. Okay, you can buy it eBay also or Amazon. It's called like a watch closer. And it's coming with a different size of adapters. See right there. And make sure you choose the right size for your watch. Okay, like I did already. Okay, it's because the watch goes right there when you close it. Okay, see, I picked the right size of the adapter, so you just remove it like this. And then same thing on the top. See? Okay, so to make sure you choose, you pick the right size. Okay, right there. Okay, so now let's put this tool on the side. We don't need it for now. Make sure you put like a little rock there so you don't scratch the watch. So now let's open it. This watch has right here a little extra part here. I don't know if you can see it right there. See, you see this one is scratched a little bit here, but we're gonna try to avoid that this time. So just place the flat screwdriver here, and then push it up. Okay. Okay, right there. See, I didn't scratch it, so be careful. Okay, because if it's an expensive watch, then or even if a cheap watch, you know, it doesn't look good when it's scratched already. Okay, so now let's remove this plastic. When you put it back, guide yourself by this opening here. Okay, so just put it on the side. And now we're gonna remove the right here is the battery. You can see it there, right there, and there is a little clip here. Okay, right there. So be careful, do not bend that clip, because if you bend it, then later the battery is not gonna be like stable. It's gonna be moving, and then it's not gonna work. So we need to push this little clip so the battery can come out. And also you need a lot of lights. That's why I'm here by the window. So let's see if I can. So what I'm trying to do is move this little clip here out, so then I can push it, the battery. Okay, right there, you see? Okay, so this is the old one. And now let's get the new one here. Like I said, this is the model. Make sure you replace it with exactly same model, okay? Hold on 1 second, okay? Okay, so now I have the new one here. So to put it back, make sure you don't bend the pin here, right here. Let me show you this little pin here, right there. This clip that holds the battery. So make sure you go like you're gonna insert it like right here, this way, not like this, because you're gonna bend it. So try to go this way. So right there, you see, now the little clip is on the top, so we don't bend it and then push it down. Okay, as you see right there, the pin is holding the battery here, the clip here, you see, right there. Now let's see if it's working. See, it's working. Okay. Okay, so now let's put the plastic back. Like I said, guide yourself for this opening here. Right there. You see this little plastic hold also the battery. So now let's put these tools on the side. And then we're gonna bring the cover, the back cover. So remember to put the letters straight. Okay, as you see, these these letters are right there. So the same thing. This one is supposed to go right here, right there. Okay, right here. Okay. Make sure the letters are straight, so it looks nice. It doesn't matter, but you know, some people like things like perfect. Okay, so now I make sure that it's pre closet. Now I'm gonna use my tool. So you place it there. Make sure it's straight, and then we're gonna use this like a nut to close it. Okay. So now keep closing it, but make sure it's straight, you know, and don't over tight because you can break the watch. You even like feel or hear a little when you close it. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, so now let's pull it out, and then let's check it out. You see, it closed very well. Yeah, it doesn't come now. Okay, so now so it's working. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it, and please give me a like, subscribe. You help me a lot. check my other videos. I'm trying to fix whatever I can, so keep in touch. You can ask me questions. Thank you. Leave comments. Have a great day.